Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 monthly dividend stocks and ETFs to get paid every single month. I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe right now. Alright, I appreciate you, so now let's jump into it. Let's go. Alright, so the reason why I love monthly dividend stocks so much is because if you do it right and you pick the right stocks, you can get paid every single month. It's a great way to get passive income, extra cash flow, and these dividends could pay your car payment, your mortgage, and overall just make you more money. Now, a little pro tip that I always recommend, especially beginners, is making sure you have a broker that offers DRIP. DRIP is dividend reinvesting. Pretty much what you want to do for the first couple of years, for the first 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years, is take the dividends you get and reinvest them back into the business. Now, look at this chart. You guys can clearly see the difference between reinvesting your dividends and not reinvesting your dividends. So reinvest those dividends and make that extra money. All right, so now that we kind of understand some little tips, now let's jump into stock number 1. All right, so stock number 1 is Horizon Technology. Now, the reason why I love this one so much is because you get that monthly dividend payout near and around 11 cents every single month. And I know you're saying right now, Carter, it's only 11 cents. Hey, over the course of 40 years, that 11 cents compounded on itself could add up to hundreds or thousands of dollars every single month. So don't be slacking on that 11 cents. But not to mention that cash flow every month, this stock has performed very, very well year to date. This thing is up about 8%. So you're gonna get great cash flow. You're gonna be getting appreciation in your shares. On top of that, one of the main reasons why I love this company is a venture capitalist firm that invests into tech companies, into science companies. So it's in one of the top growing sectors as well. And anytime you evaluate a company, it's always smart to look at the revenue, the cash on hand. Look at these revenue, the beat earnings. This company has been performing very, very well. I think looking back in 2 to 5 years, we would be wishing we would have invested into this company. All right, so stock number 2 is Realty Income Corp. Now, the reason why I love this thing is it's like investing into real estate. This company goes out, they buy different real estate properties, offices, medical buildings, even Walgreens, 7-Eleven. Now, the beauty is as these companies or these businesses pay their rent or lease, you guys get a little bit of that money every single month in the form of dividends. It comes out to about 26 cents per month or about $3.07 per year. On top of the great cash flow every month, this one here over the past 5 years has had a return near and around 14%. So we're going to be getting that great dividends. We're going to be getting those great appreciation, great growth. And on top of that, investing into real estate is most of the time super, super expensive. So it's like investing into real estate, but not having to put up hundreds or thousands of dollars, for buildings. On top of that, the dividend yield for this is near and around 5%. So that's a relatively solid yield for these types of companies. So moving on to the next monthly dividend stock or ETF here. Before we jump into that, subscribe right now if you guys are enjoying these types of videos. All right, now let's move on to the next one. All right, so the last and final one here, this one here is an ETF. So the reason I love this one is it tracks a whole bunch of fantastic dividend companies. This one here is the Preferred Dividend ETF, ticker symbol PGX. But the reason why I love it is one, you get that dividend yield about 5%. So it's a really strong dividend. Plus the holdings in here are beautiful. You got companies like Bank of America, AT&T, JP Morgan Chase, all these staple for dividend payers. And the reason why I love investing into ETFs is because it's like a pool of different companies. The issue is when you invest into one individual company and you're wrong on that stock and that stock sells off, you lose money. But the beautiful thing about investing into ETFs is you could be wrong about 2 companies, 3 companies, but if there's over 200 companies and they grow, you're still making money. On top of that, you still get the same dividends, you still get the same growth, and just a lot of opportunities with ETFs. But the only issue I see with PGX is the growth. The growth isn't really that large. It's kind of a flat ETF, but where you make your money is honestly on the dividends, on that cash flow, and on that passive income. So guys, these were the top monthly dividend stocks and ETFs for 2023 that I would highly, highly recommend. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care, guys.